Welcome to Theme and Code. In this video we are going to explain how to create a free food delivery website in WordPress. As the world becomes more digital, customers are increasingly choosing online food delivery services. As a restaurant owner, creating a professional website for your delivery service can be expensive, often costing thousands of dollars. But what if I told you that you don't have to do it this way? With WordPress and some plugins, you can create an inexpensive, professional-looking website for your restaurant delivery service. Now let's see how you can create a free food delivery website for free. Step 1. Installing WordPress. There are various ways to install WordPress. Here I will show the easiest one at the moment, and that is to install WordPress in cPanel. To install WordPress, open your cPanel dashboard. Scroll down and you can see WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and after that WordPress. You can choose any of these options. Just click to get started. Step 2. Choose a free restaurant website theme. Choosing the perfect theme is important when creating a website. Fortunately, WordPress has a wide range of themes. Choose a free restaurant website theme from the theme list. Step 3. Install and customize the theme. Now let's check how to install the theme. Open your WordPress dashboard and go to Themes. Click Add New Theme and you will find thousands of free themes. To create a website, simply choose one of these themes and create your website. Step 4. Installing required plugins and customizing the entire website. Clicking on the Edit page will give you the option to edit this website. To embed PDF content, you need to install the TNcFlipbook PDF Viewer for WordPress plugin. Changing information is easy. You can change or replace whatever you like. Step 5. Create a PDF of your menu in Canva and upload it to your website. Creating a PDF is easy. All you need is Canva and find a template to create your design. After creating a PDF, you need to insert it into TNcFlipbook PDF Viewer for WordPress. First, click Add New and give your PDF Viewer a name. After that, you have to select the PDF file. Step 6. Finally, publish and update. Finally, with your food delivery website built and your plugins and features added, it's time to test your website and go live. By testing your site, you can ensure that everything is functioning correctly and that your customers will have a positive experience when visiting your website. So, that's all for today. Want to know more? Read our blog for more details. Link in the description. Hope everyone likes it. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.